Welcome to the We Level Up Treatment Center video series. In today's video we will discuss: what is Flakka drug? Flakka, alpha PVP, also known as gravel, is a highly addictive and dangerous drug, typically white or pink, and is found in crystal form. The drug may be eaten, snorted, injected, or vaporized in e-cigarettes. What is Flakka made of? Alpha PVP, Flakka, is chemically related to other synthetic cathinones called bath salts. The molecular structure of Flakka is derived from the pyrrolidinophenone, designer drugs, class, making it a central nervous system stimulant. Usually, a laboratory setup combines several compounds to synthesize Flakka. Reagents, solvents, and precursor compounds are a few examples of these substances. The precise composition may alter since the substance may be made in covert labs using various formulations. The primary mechanism of action for Flakka's pharmacological effects is its capacity to stimulate the release and block the absorption of neurotransmitters like norepinephrine, serotonin, and dopamine in the brain. How does Flakka affect your brain? Usually, people will be more anxious and aggressive after using synthetic cathinones, including Flakka drugs, and they will exhibit aggressive behavior at high doses. In some cases, these substances have caused death. Flakka effects and addiction signs: intense euphoria, heightened alertness, extreme agitation, excited delirium, hallucinations, paranoia, psychotic behavior, increased heart rate, elevated body temperature, sweating profusely, bruxism, teeth grinding, tremors or seizures, increased energy, insomnia, lack of appetite, increased sociability, increased libido, impaired judgment, impulsive behavior, violent outbursts, severe anxiety, suicidal thoughts, memory impairment, cognitive dysfunction, cravings for continued use. What it's called: Flakka zombie drug. New synthetic drug structures have new properties and thus create unique behavioral characteristics during intoxication. For instance, the term zombie Flakka is a colloquial and sensationalized expression used in the media to describe the extreme and often bizarre behavior exhibited by some individuals under the influence of the drug. This label suggests that the drug can induce behaviors that appear zombie-like, including severe agitation, paranoia, hallucinations, and erratic movements. Flakka withdrawal symptoms. The withdrawal symptoms result from the body and brain adjusting to the absence of Flakka, which has been influencing neurotransmitter activity and affecting the central nervous system. The symptoms include intense cravings, fatigue, depression, anxiety, agitation, irritability, difficulty concentrating, insomnia, increased appetite, unpleasant dreams, tremors, muscle aches, sweating, heart palpitations, paranoia, hallucinations, delusions, impaired memory, impaired cognitive function. Inpatient Flakka drug rehab. One of the finest strategies to overcome the addiction to Flakka drugs is through inpatient treatment. We Level Up Texas Inpatient Treatment offers a setting free from the temptation to consume Flakka drugs for those attempting to sober up. Rehabs typically last 30 to 90 days. However, they can last longer if necessary for the client. A recovered user can learn how to live a healthy life without using Flakka drugs by enrolling in an inpatient program. Inpatient Flakka drug rehab programs may include detoxification services, individual counseling, group therapy sessions, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, 12-step or alternative recovery programs, medical supervision and support, dual diagnosis treatment for county-occurring mental health issues, family therapy, aftercare planning, holistic and evidence-based therapies such as yoga or meditation. Relapse during the early phases of rehabilitation is less likely in the controlled setting because it limits external stimuli and distractions. The assurance of a secure and efficient detoxification process is reinforced by the continuous presence of medical monitoring, available round the clock. This steadfast management not only guarantees the physical well-being of individuals undergoing Flakka drug detox but also provides a rapid response mechanism for any emerging difficulties or withdrawal symptoms. The 24/7 medical supervision in inpatient Flakka drug rehab programs is integral in managing the unpredictable nature of withdrawal, as it allows for the following: timely adjustments to the treatment plan, medication administration for withdrawal or mental health issue symptoms, immediate intervention in the face of any unforeseen complications. This unwavering medical presence serves as a critical pillar in the foundation of a comprehensive and responsive detoxification experience, fostering a safer and more controlled environment for individuals navigating the initial stages of recovery from Flakka addiction. Flakka detox. Medical detox is an essential first step in developing a comprehensive and personalized recovery plan from Flakka addiction. Acknowledging your addiction's warning signs and acknowledging you need treatment are crucial. You must get professional help as well. To determine the best course of action, this often involves having a trained addiction specialist assess you for substance use disorder. Programs for inpatient recovery offer a medically supervised, controlled atmosphere that is available around the clock, facilitating the procedure of detoxification and treating both the physical and mental elements of addiction. Comprehending the underlying reasons for dependence and developing coping skills are crucial outcomes of both individual and group therapy. When it comes to treating the thinking patterns and behaviors connected to Flakka drug use, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is particularly successful. Follow-up care is crucial once a formal treatment program is completed. Participating in support groups, creating a relapse prevention technique, and immersing in therapy may all be part of this. Ongoing healing requires adopting a comprehensive well-being perspective that includes good lifestyle choices. It takes dedication, tenacity, and a solid support network to overcome addiction to Flakka drugs, which is ultimately a lifelong process. Aftercare program for Flakka drug addiction treatment. One effective technique for treating addiction in patients is cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. Patients who receive cognitive behavioral therapy are trained to identify negative self-perceptions, which can act as relapse triggers, as well as circumstances that may entice them to use the Flakka drug once more. Upon acknowledging this, individuals can create coping mechanisms to eliminate thoughts of relapse and steer clear of alluring circumstances. This type of treatment gives clients a sense of agency and accountability, which is crucial for maintaining motivation and permanently removing the Flakka drug from their lives. Begin with a free call to an addiction and behavioral health treatment advisor. Learn more about our dual diagnosis programs. The We Level Up Treatment Center network delivers recovery programs that vary by each treatment facility. Call to learn more. That's it for today. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like, share and comment. We would love your feedback. Have a great day.